Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the sequence of reactions. I'm going to explain it in detail. So just watch it. First of all, we have an alcohol. You know, alcohol in acidic medium. When we have alcohol and medium is acidic, so this acidic medium will provide H plus ion. H2SO4 will give H plus ions. So H plus ion will attack on alcohol. So alcohol gets protonated, right? When alcohol is protonated, this protonated alcohol is a very good leaving group. This one is a very good leaving group. So it will be removed as H2O. So we will get this carbocation as the reaction intermediate. Now this carbocation, you know, it will provide driving force for the formation of alkene. So actual product formed is alkene. That means X is this one. This one is the X. Okay. Now B2H6 in THF followed by H2O2 OH negative. This is actually hydroboration oxidation. So hydroboration oxidation, if I do it at once, it seems to be anti-Markovnikov addition of water. So product formed should be like this, right? So it is 2-methyl cyclopentanol. So if you would like to get Z, then A is the right option. Now let us discuss it in detail. As I already said. Now once this alkene is formed, this alkene formed, we have got the answer, okay? But to study in detail, B2H6 in THF. So, at this point, PH2 is attached. What is attached? PH2. Because in B2H6, PH3 is added to it. Okay. In BH3, because B2H6 is dimer of BH3 actually. Okay. It is electron deficient compound. So, there is partially positive charge on boron and partial negative charge on hydrogen, okay, because boron is less electronegative. So in this way it form cyclic mechanism. PH2 on this side, H on this side. It is like this, okay, means H and BH2 are attached from the same side. So we will get, if it is above the plane, then this H as well as PH2 is on the is below the plane, okay. So this is first product formed. Now H2O2 in the presence of OH negative ion. So this BH2 is replaced by OH on the same side. There is no need to write H, this CH3 and this is OH. This is the stereochemistry of the product formed. Means CH3 is above the plane and OH attached is below the plane. Okay, so that's all about this question. If you would like to get answer can be written here, okay. But as far as stereochemistry is concerned, you can go like this, okay. This is cyclic mechanism, okay. H and BH2 attached on the same side, and Markov-Nikov rule is followed. The negative part is attached to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogens, and BH2 is a positive part, so on the other side, but BH2 is replaced by OH then. Okay, so it seems like anti-Markov-Nikov addition of water, but nowhere Markov-Nikov rule is violated. Okay, it is actually the hydroboration oxidation is following the Markov-Nikov rule. Okay, got it? Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. So this is actually dehydration followed by hydroboration oxidation. Okay, thank you.